Are your games lagging, stuttering, or stuck at low frames per second? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to enable and tweak these secret Windows settings to unlock your CPU and GPU's full power, boost FPS instantly, and make your system feel way faster for gaming. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Set Windows for best performance. Windows has animations and visual effects that look nice but waste CPU and RAM. Go to the Windows search bar and type "Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows." Open it, and a window called Performance Options will appear. Choose Adjust for Best Performance to turn off all effects. But keep these two on. Smooth edges of screen fonts. Keeps text clear and not blurry. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Lets you see previews of pictures and files. Click Apply. Then go to the Advanced tab in the same window. Under Processor Scheduling, choose Adjust for Best Performance of Programs. This makes sure your games get the most CPU instead of background apps. Click OK to save. Restart your PC, and now Windows will feel lighter and give more FPS in every game. Step 2. Use ParkControl to unlock full CPU power. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Your CPU is the brain of your PC, and games need it to always work at full power. Windows sometimes slows it down to save energy, but we can stop that using a free tool called ParkControl. Download and install ParkControl, then open it. Select the plan called Bitsum Highest Performance. This plan makes your CPU run at maximum speed all the time. Change these settings, set CPU parking AC and CPU parking DC to disabled. Stops Windows from turning off CPU cores. Set frequency scaling AC/DC to disabled. Prevents the CPU from lowering its speed. Set minimum and maximum CPU usage to 100%. Keeps the CPU running strong. Turn on Bitsum Dynamic Boost. Makes your PC more responsive when gaming. Finally, go to Windows Power Options and select Bitsum Highest Performance as your active plan. Now your CPU will never slow down and your games will run with higher FPS, smoother performance. Step 3. Boost GPU performance with MSI Afterburner. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Your GPU graphics card creates the graphics in games. By giving it more power, you can get extra FPS. For this, use a free tool called MSI Afterburner. Download and install it, then open it. You'll see sliders. The most important are power limit and temperature limit. Drag both sliders to the maximum. Do not touch core voltage. Now adjust memory clock slowly. Increase it in small steps of +20. Example, 0 to 20 to 40 to 60. After each step, test a game. If it works fine, increase more. If the game crashes, freezes, or shows weird graphics, lower it back to the last safe number. Once stable, click Apply to save. This is called safe overclocking. It gives your GPU extra speed without risk. With this, your games will look smoother, run faster, and have more FPS. Step 4. Turn off Windows Telemetry, better privacy and speed. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Windows runs background services called telemetry that track your usage. They also waste CPU and RAM, which makes games run slower. On low-end PCs, this is a big problem. Open it and click. Apply only recommended settings. If it asks about creating a restore point, you can skip it because the program allows easy undo. These changes will turn off tracking services and free up resources for games. Some small features like clipboard history may stop, but you can always re-enable them later. This step improves both your privacy and FPS by reducing background load. After this, your PC will feel lighter and faster. Step 5. Use Optimizer tool to make Windows lighter. You can download and access all the files in one place from my Discord server. I'll also provide the links in the description. Another great tool is Optimizer, which disables useless features in Windows. Open it after downloading. In the General tab, go through each section. System, turn on Optimize Performance. Show all icons. Remove menu delay. Optimize network. Disable error reporting. Disable compatibility assistant. Disable printer services. And turn off sticky keys and smart screen. App, turn on everything to remove app features you don't need. Privacy, turn on everything to stop tracking services. Disk drive, turn off superfetch and hibernation. Then select your Windows version tab, 10 or 11. Under gaming, turn on game mode and turn off Xbox Game Bar plus Xbox services. Under Privacy, turn off Telemetry, Cortana, News and Interests, start Menu Ads, and Edge Discover. Under System, turn off People, Sensors, and Virtualization-based Security. In Windows Update, you can also disable auto updates if you want more control. When done, click Restart. After restart, your Windows will run faster, use less background power, and give better FPS in games. Step 6. Stop extra startup apps. When you turn on your PC, many programs start automatically. They waste CPU, RAM, and internet, which lowers FPS in games. To fix this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Here you'll see all apps that run when your PC starts. Right-click the ones you don't need and click Disable. Only keep important ones like antivirus and drivers. This makes your PC boot faster and gives more system power for gaming. Fewer apps in the background also means more stable ping. Restart your PC after this to see the difference. After doing all these steps, restart your PC. Your computer will now be fully optimized for gaming. Your CPU and GPU will run at full power, Windows will be lighter, and fewer apps will slow things down.